Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today market update for the week of March 15, 2020. As you can see that the last 3 weeks the market is very volatile on the way down. So if you have been follow me and we have been defy the sell zone, okay, a week ahead before the market crash, and you can see that when the market hit to the sell zone and then the institution they start selling. So right now they hit right into the buy zone and then institution they start buying back up. So that's why if you understand how to read the chart, you'll be able to see where the market go. So right now at this moment when the market hit to the buy zone, institution they start pushing back up and then they hit also a long-term uptrend support right here, right into the dot, and then they bow back up. So right now at this moment, the market is finished the this section down. So right now we try to climb back up. So this is the first side that the market be able to push it back up. So at this moment, we want to see that next week to see the market be able to climb up here to test this level. If they be able to get out of this level, the market have more chance to push it. Otherwise, the market will be rolled back down, and if they drop below this downtrend line, we can see it more in the downside. So right now, we go with the day by day to see that exactly what the institution. This is the first time that institution they try to buy in. Usually, they will push it up and then they slam it down. They do it a couple of times so that they can get all the share that are available on the market before the market be able to stabilize and move it back up. As you can see that the last 3 weeks, the people are thinking that the market crashed because of coronavirus, but the truth is not. People don't understand the true force of the market is driven by the law of supply and demand. When the price hits to the psychology level, that price become very expensive, and then it will set up the sales on. And that's where the big boy like the Wall Street hedge fund and the investment bankers they will sell and try to suck up all a greedy investor and trader that come in late. People thinking trading stock is a get rich quick scheme. They are picking stock because they based on the fundamental or the news that they see on the Yahoo or on the internet. But in the other hand, the big boys have $1 trillion. They can push the stock price wherever they want it to go, but they are moving slowly. So usually it takes many weeks. They have to build their position slowly to keep from drawing too much attention. If you know how to spot the first sign of the institution buying, you can get a very clear picture of what they are doing. Today, the market is driven by a high frequency robot computer trader, but input by the human. If you don't understand how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis, you will lose all of your money. Right now, most people out there show panicking. They sell everything they have. This is the time that institutions begin to buy back. If you want to know what's going on in the market before most of the world know, if you want to a year ahead other investors, even many professionals, this is a good time for you to learn and understand how the market moves by reading the chart, by using the right tool that the Wall Street guy are using so you can see the signal that tell you where the buyer and the seller are in the control with the very accuracy level. If you can be able to stop by and ride a way of demand to the maximum profit, and when they you see the institution they start selling their position at the sell zone, you can get out before the big price drop, so you can lock in a maximum gain. This is a good time for you to invest in your education. That's why as Stock Navigator, we teaching people how to do day trade and swing trade because the concept of buy and hold that no longer apply. A lot of people thinking that buy and hold, like the stockbroker, they always want your portfolio and then they say buy and hold, but no such thing as buy and hold. This market is totally different. You are not Warren Buffett, so you cannot survive with the up and down market like this. You will be your account will be wiped out very quickly. So if you want to learn how to trade, and then you can manage your own financial and generate extra income for you and family. So you should spend some time and invest in your education by look at the chart, by know how the institution they get in, they get out, how to define those sell zone, buy zone, and look at the pattern the institution when they get in and when they get out, so that you be ahead of other trader. So this is what we see right now. So don't head up with a lot of fake news out there. They will call you headache. The chart will tell you everything. If you understand how to read the chart, how to draw the line, how to connect the dot, and understand the market psychology, you'll be able to become a successful trader. All right, so stay safe and stay healthy, and I will update more information for you in the future. Thank you for watching.